That's crazy. Hey, man. What motor's in this thing?
505.
A 505?
Yeah,
Is that
it's a 440 stroke motor.
440 stroked? Damn. How much horsepower are you pumping out?
Just under 600.
Just under 600. Not bad. Not nice.
We drive it a lot.
Yeah.
Like, this is not a trailer thing.
So since you drive it, it's pretty drivable, I guess. Like probably good gas mileage.
Gas mileage is not good.
No, you just drive it. How much per tank then? You got like 600 kilometers? No, not at all.
300.
200.
They're a small tank, right?
Yeah. That's fair.
So $100 for 100 kilometers.
5,000.
Plymouth Volaré Road Runner.
You don't look at any debt.
That's awesome. Nice paint. When did you get the paint done? Yeah?
That's a never-ending battle today, isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
Every time we do that, it rains again. I'm not doing
Yeah, we stopped doing that, and it's been sunny since.
Oh, so you're telling me I should stop?
Yes.
You're jinxing it now.
Yeah. Did you
Okay,
see
I'll
this
stop
thing?
then.
504.
Oh. That's neat.
Not bad. Wow. Cool.
I don't know, I'm looking at hearing that.
Oh, that's a Charger. It sounds fast.
It's all solid lifters.
Wow. That is a great build. That is a great build. Have you taken it to the track at all?
There's an H frame in here
Yeah.
by the firewall.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh,
Twisted so bad.
so much torque it
Cracked the
twisted.
paint.
It cracked the paint. So much
So
torque.
much torque.
It cracked the paint.
So it started at 383. It's stroked to 496.
It stroked to 496.
Stroked to 496.
Holy, that's a big.
It's 150 pounds lighter than a HEMI
Yeah,
and 150 more horsepower than a HEMI.
really. That's crazy.
And red line's at 7,000 RPM.
Yeah. It red lines at 7,000.
Red line's at 7,000.
Damn.
So it's a sleeper.
Yeah.
Right in that
It's a
car,
sleeper.
ma'am.
Do you mind if I? Can I hear it? Do you mind if I can hear it?
Yeah, no problem.
That'd be an experience. Cause I want. That's a big motor.
It's got an extreme cam in it.
Extreme cam. Yeah.
Yeah.
What else? Okay.
You're in the right spot to hear it.
Yeah.
Have a seat.
Her brother had one of these. She said they go stinking fast.
Stinking fast.
Yeah.
I bet, eh?
Is that Mike? No, Mike.
There's a guy in the States who has the exact same setup,
Yeah.
and he's taken it to the track.
Yeah.
He put sticky tires on it, and I'll show you what happened.
Okay.
The engine's got 630 foot-pounds of torque,
Yeah.
which is 30 less than a Hellcat.
Yeah.
So the frame really isn't.
It bent the frame.
It split the metal on his in
Really?
the States when he took it to the track.
So much torque.
So much torque, it just ripped that right open.
Really. Just the body, or was the frame okay?
The range is okay, but it twisted so much. Right?
Really?
I'll show you what happened to me.
Okay.
There's an H frame in here
Yeah.
by the firewall.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh,
Twisted so bad.
so much torque it
Cracked the
twisted.
paint.
It cracked the paint. So much
So
torque.
much torque.
It cracked the paint. that's a lot of torque.
It's a lot of torque.
That's a lot of torque.
Yeah,
That's
it's almost all right on the limit.
Yeah.
Even though there's what they call torque boxes welded into
Yeah,
the
yeah,
frame to
yeah.
tighten it and stiffen it.
yeah.
Even with that, there's just
Really.
really.
That's awesome. How good is it on gas? Does it chew? Does it eat?
When I first got it
Yeah.
from the engine builders,
Yeah.
it was 8 miles a gallon
8 miles ago.
because it was set up for the track.
Yeah.
So we tuned it down a little bit in the carburetors.
Yeah.
Put more air through it and less fuel through it.
Okay.
So we got to 10.
Oh, that's
20%.
There
not
you
bad,
go.
eh? Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, you didn't touch the rear. Like what do you got on the rear end?
355.
The 355s.
Yeah.
And is it an automatic?
No, it's 4-speed.
It's a
Hurst.
four speed.
Original 4-speed Hurst.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. It looks like you're keeping her forever. Or does she have a
I've
price
got the
tag?
original numbers matching motor.
Yeah.
And,
Oh, damn.
and I said, I'm not going to start putting old new parts in that.
Yeah.
So it's stored.
Yeah.
And so that's where we put this in. But it was a numbers matching car.
Yeah.
So we just replaced the engine. The transmission is original.
Yeah.
The red's original. There's a lot of original parts still
Nice.
on it. So we just replaced that little monster.
Yeah. What's your price?
What?
What's your price?
It's on the sticker here.
No.
3,600.
Oh, you're gonna sell $3,600
I've
bucks?
been
I'll
offered
give it.
4,000 today.
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's been a good car.
Yeah.
But
100%.
having solid lifters and solid rollers in that engine, there's a lot of maintenance to it.
Yeah.
People don't realize when.
Sorry, this is the original sticker from the dealer?
Yeah. It was It's actually some weird options on this car. The rumor is it was ordered to go into the showroom, and it wasn't ordered for somebody who bought it because I don't know why you'd buy that. You can't see that with the hood. Like this,
What is that?
it's a turn signal indicator when you turn, and it's got. They spend extra for the light group, so you got a map reading light under the dash. You got a trunk light, and you got those as an option. Like
So it was map reading light
yeah.
instead of
Like
instead of Waze.
Yeah. I don't know why it's no ways right now.
I don't know why you'd pay for that. Like,
Old
why
school.
would you order that option?
I don't know.
It's kind of weird.